Hey guys, this is Neil here from In-Depth Tech. So today in this video we are going to see how to trigger Alexa routines with any smart devices. So in the previous videos I have showed you how you can trigger Alexa routines with the help of the motion sensor, the door sensor, the smart button and also the temperature and the humidity sensor. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can trigger Alexa routines with the help of the smart socket, the smart light, air condition and also a Sonoff switch. So let's get started. So guys, first let me give you an example. So as you can see, the smart socket is off right now. So if I just go ahead and switch on the socket.
Socket is on.
So as you can see, Alexa just announced that the socket is on. So guys, the smart socket which I'm using is a Chroma smart socket and the partnered application is the Smart Life app. And also the IR Blaster, it's also a Chroma IR Blaster and the partnered application is also the Smart Life app. The light which I'm using is the Philips Wiz light and the partnered application is the Wiz app. So guys, the process which I'm about to show you has a lot of steps. So it's a request that you don't skip the video or else you'll miss out on something. So guys, first just go ahead and open the IFTTT application. So guys, first we'll be making an automation for the air condition and the partnered application for the IR Blaster is the Smart Life app. So first you need to integrate a Smart Life account with the IFTTT application. So just go ahead and click on explore, just search for Smart Life. So as you can see, I've already integrated the Smart Life account. So you need to log in with the same ID and password which is linked with your Smart Life account. So then just go ahead and click on create. If this Smart Life so just search for group or devices turned on. So click on air condition. So guys, if your device or a group is not showing here, so just make sure that your IR Blaster is switched on. I have faced this issue a lot of time that if my IR Blaster is not switched on, my device won't show up here. So now just go ahead and click on continue. So as you can see, I've selected the air conditioning, but it says please select from the drop down. So just go back and click on group of device again, air conditioning, continue. It has the same issue. So I had actually unplugged my IR Blaster. So now let's just go ahead and switch this thing on. Now I'll just go ahead and select air conditioning. So as you can see, it's selected. So now click on then, search for Alexa Actions by MK Zenzi. So guys, here you get 3 triggers which are absolutely free, but if you want to go beyond 3 triggers, there's a subscription for $5 and you can create unlimited triggers. So I'll just go ahead and click on Actions. So guys, here I have subscribed to the Alexa Actions. So I'll just go ahead and click on IFTTT trigger 6, continue. Receive notifications when run, finish. So now we need to go to the Amazon Alexa app, more, routines, click on the plus icon. When this happens, smart home. So as you can see, the IFTTT triggers have been synced. So if I just go ahead and click on the trigger 6, because we have created an automation in the IFTTT to trigger 6. So click on save, actions. So I want Alexa to say that the AC is switched on. So customize, AC is switched on. Next. Also, as you know that I have a Sonoff Zigbee temperature sensor, so I want that whenever I switch on the AC, it should also tell me my bedroom temperature. Click on customize, enter what you would ask Alexa. So I'll just go ahead and type what is my bedroom temperature. Next, choose device, Neil's Echo Show, save. Also guys, I have already created a trigger, so when the AC is off, it will also notify me that the AC is off. So now let's just go ahead and switch on the AC. So guys, here I'll use the Smart Life app, air conditioning. So if I just go ahead and switch on the AC, as you can see the AC is on. It will take a few seconds to trigger the routine, so let's just wait for it.
AC is switched on. The bedroom temperature is 27.9 degrees.
So as you can see, it triggered the Alexa routine. So now if I just go ahead and switch off the AC,
AC is off.
it triggered the Alexa routine. So guys, in this case we have created an automation using the IR blaster. So if you just go ahead and switch on and off the AC through the remote, the Alexa routine won't trigger because it has been synced with the IR blaster. So if you control the AC through the IR blaster, then only the routine will get activated. So now let's just go ahead and see how to create an automation for the smart socket. So guys, here as you all know that the partnered application for the smart socket is the Smart Life app. But if I just go ahead and click on the IFTTT app, create Smart Life, device or group, so the Wi-Fi socket won't show up. But as you can see, the socket is on right now. And also I'll just open the Smart Life app. And as you can see, the socket is functioning properly. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to open the SmartThings app, click on the plus icon, devices, and now if I just go ahead and search for Smart Life, so just go ahead and click on lighting, Smart Life. I have already logged in with my account, so you need to log in with the same ID. So click on next. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi socket is also synced with the SmartThings application. Click on done. So now what you need to do is you need to go to the IFTTT platform, click on create, and then go to if this, search for SmartThings here. Switch on, which device? So as you can see, the Wi-Fi socket is synced. So click on the Wi-Fi socket, continue. Then
Alexa, action.
So I'll just click on trigger 8, continue. Continue. Receive notification, finish. So now you need to follow the same step. Just go to the Alexa app, click on more, routines. So as you can see, I've already created a trigger 8. So just click on that. You basically need to follow the same process. So as you can see that when the IFTTT trigger 8 is pressed, it will say socket is on. You can actually trigger a lot of things. So for example, let's just go ahead and click on message. So now click on notification. So actually you will receive a notification. I'll just type socket is on. Next. From News Echo Show. I'll just click that. So guys, this is actually really useful that whenever you're not at home and you have connected the socket to your laptop or your PC, so you can actually get notified on your phone once the Wi-Fi socket is on. So let's just go ahead and test it out. So I've also created a trigger that when the Wi-Fi socket is off, so follow the same process for that. So if I just go ahead and switch off the socket,
Socket is off.
so let's just go ahead and switch on the socket. So
Socket is on.
as you can see, the Alexa app notified me that the socket is on. So guys, as I told you about the IR blaster, that so whenever you trigger your AC through the IR blaster, then only it will trigger the Alexa routine. So in this case, it really doesn't matter that how you switch on and off the smart socket. So if I just go ahead and switch off the smart socket using my Google Home, hey Google, switch off the smart socket. Hey,
Sure, turning 3 outlets off.
so as you can see, the smart
Socket is off.
it still triggered the Alexa routine. So now if your socket is on,
Socket is on.
but somebody comes and directly switches off the main power supply. So for example, if I just remove it from my spike guard, so now this device is offline. So it won't trigger the Alexa routine because the device is offline, and the Smart Things or the Smart Life app has no idea if the socket is on or off because the device is offline. So now if I just go ahead and plug it back in, so as you can see, the socket is on right now. So let's just wait for a few seconds and see if it is able to detect that the socket is on. So as you can see, it did not trigger the Alexa routine. But if the socket is online and if I just go ahead and switch the socket off,
Socket is off.
so now it will trigger the Alexa routine. So guys, now let's talk about the smart bulb. So this is a Philips Whiz light and the partnered application is the Whiz application. But when you open the IFTTT platform, click on create. If you just type the Whiz, so as you can see, it says the server supports 0 triggers, 6 actions. So basically you cannot trigger any actions or any routines or any automations in the IFTTT platform with the Whiz app. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Smart Things application, devices, click on the plus icon, add device, search for the Whiz, lighting, certified in India. So guys, I've already logged in with my account, so I just have to go ahead and click on done. So as you can see, the lights have been synced, and this one is basically the AE272. So I'll just go ahead and switch this thing on. Okay, it's working perfectly fine. So now what you have to do is go to the IFTTT platform, Smart Things, switch on, select device E272, continue, then search for Alexa. So I'll go with trigger 4, continue, receive notification, finish. So now we'll create a trigger if the bulb is switched off. So follow the same steps, create, switched off, device, then Alexa trigger 5, continue, receive notification, finish. So now go ahead and open the Alexa app, more, routines. So as you can see, I've already created a trigger 4 and a trigger 5. So let's just see what it does. So trigger 5, light is off. So Alexa will say that the light is off. So let us add one more action. So guys, here you can also control other devices which are linked with the Alexa. So if you just go ahead and click on smart home, as you can see, you can actually control the lights and also the other devices. So let's just do one thing. We'll click on the smart socket and power off. So now what will happen is when the light is on, Alexa will say that the light is on and it will also switch off the smart socket. So let's just give it a try. So I'll just open the Whiz application. So inside the Wiz application, the name of the light is the Philips Wiz 1. So now let's go ahead and switch on the light. So if I just go ahead and switch it on.
Living room light is switched on. The time is 10:52 p.m.
So now let's go ahead and switch off the light.
Light is off.
So guys, as you saw, we can trigger the Alexa routine with any smart devices. So what I mean by any smart devices is that the device should be compatible with the SmartThings and also the IFTTT platform. So guys, I have also made a video in which you will be able to know that which all devices are compatible with the SmartThings. You can find that video out by clicking on the I button and the link will be in the description. So guys, triggering the Alexa routines with these smart devices is really helpful. So for an example, if you have the smart socket which is connected to your TV, you can actually use the Alexa routines to make the lights dim or to change the color of the lights. So it really depends on the personalized needs. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. I'll be making more home automation videos just like this. So don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new, please subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.